Let's make orange pineapple honey glazed ham.
Let's step on the gas. Let's go. Wow, this is bossingly bossing. First, we're gonna need a ham. Open it up. We're going to cover our ham with some pineapple juice. Next, we're gonna add on some honey, 1 cup brown sugar, a tablespoon thyme, crushed pepper, paprika, black pepper, and salt. Mix well, then sprinkle all your seasoning all over your ham with the juice of 1 orange and some orange slices. Wrap it with some foil. Bake at 325, 20 minutes per pound. Add the juice to a saucepan. Let the juice reduce until it turns into a glaze. Once the glaze is ready, make sure you wrap it all over your ham.